In North America, it is estimated that up to 20% of all power outages are caused by animals and birds. ReliaGuard offers products and solutions to all electric utilities facing this critical issue. This video focuses on the ReliaGuard Cable Termination Guard. So here we have Marty Niles of ReliaGuard showing us the Cable Termination Guard. This guard can accommodate a variety of conductor diameters. This guard also features a flared base adapted to suit a number of different applications, including, as in this example, where it's being used to protect a K-mate fuse. It is easily applied and secured using the push fasteners provided, and you can simply adjust as needed to ensure that the energized connection is centered within the guard. And finally, remember folks, cover-up works, and the best fitting cover-up works best.